Imagine yourself in this 2013 Chrysler 200 Series Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: stability control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, rear bench seat, universal garage door opener, cruise control, auxiliary audio input, traction control, and pass-through rear seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.